Aladdin Creations.
Welcome back to Aladdin Creations. Today, we're diving into another fascinating red blood cell abnormality, macrocytes. These oversized red blood cells can reveal so much about what's going on inside your body. Let's explore. What are macrocytes? Macrocytes are red blood cells that are larger than normal, typically over 100 femtoliters in size when measured by MCV. They usually appear more oval or round and have a pale center with thinner peripheral staining. Causes macrocytes often show up in these conditions: vitamin B12 deficiency, folate deficiency, liver disease, alcoholism, hypothyroidism, and myelodysplastic syndromes. Each of these can interrupt normal DNA synthesis in bone marrow, causing abnormal cell growth. Lab detection. On a peripheral blood smear, macrocytes stand out as unusually large cells. On automated complete blood count reports, the MCV will be above 100 femtoliters, confirming macrocytosis. Some cases show oval macrocytes, especially in megaloblastic anemia. Clinical significance. Why do macrocytes matter? Because they often point to serious nutritional or hematologic issues. Detecting them early can guide clinicians toward checking for malabsorption syndromes, chronic alcoholism, and bone marrow disorders. So the next time you spot macrocytes, know they're more than just large cells. They're warning signs. Thanks for watching Aladdin Creations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hematology content.